Good morning, guys. As we know, we are doing a series for accounting MCQs where we are discussing good questions, good conceptual questions for accounting, which is important for our understanding and a must for the competitive examinations. And this is the easy way of learning on the walk, talk, anywhere in the bus, truck, car, anywhere you are there. No need to carry the books, open your phone, starting MCQs, listen multiple number of times, think, do, and have fun. In the way of having fun, you can learn the basic concept. And we have tried to cover the maximum conceptual part of accounting through these MCQs. So this is the part 2 of the MCQs that we are doing together. Please note that, as I said, the practice is the key. The more you practice, more you will be successful. Keep solving the MCQs. So let's go to the questions without wasting the time. And the question is, the entry which is passed for bringing forward the balances of personal and real account as shown in the last year's balance sheet is called. The entry which is passed for bringing forward the balances of personal and real account. A. Closing entry. B. Journal entry. C. Opening entry. D. None of this. And the right answer is opening entry. Right? When we carry forward, the next year the opening entry is there. Next question. The balance of goods account transferred to. The balance of goods account is transferred to which account? A. Profit and loss account. B. Trading account. C. Balance sheet. D. None of this. The balance of goods account transferred to which? Profit and loss account, trading account, balance sheet, none of this. And the right answer is trading account. Balance of good. Right? Next question. Which account is opened first in the ledger? Which account is opened first in the ledger book? Personal account, real account, non-real account, none of this. Quickly, guys, answer it. Which account is opened first in the ledger book? A. Personal. B. Real. C. Non-real. D. None of this. And the right answer is personal. Personal account is open first in the ledger book. Right? Next question. How many columns are there in the ledger in one side? How many columns are there in the ledger in one side? How many columns? A6, B4, C5, D7. Answer is 4. Are you agree? Please remember. Next question. The first book of original entry is. First book of original entry. Where from the entry start? A. Journal. B. Ledger. C. Trial balance. D. None of this. Which is the right answer? First book of original entry. A. General. B. Ledger. C. Trial balance. D. None of this. Answer is ledger. The first book of original entry is ledger. Next question. Drawing falls under which account? Drawings falls under which account? A. Personal account. B. Real account. C. Nominal account. And D. None of this. Drawings under which account? Guess, think. Think quickly. A. Personal account. D. B. Real account. C. Nominal account. D. None of this. The answer is personal account. I hope you are understanding. Drawing is a part of the personal account. Next question. Income tax is treated as. Income tax is treated as what? Business expense, direct expense. C. Personal expense. D. Indirect expense. Income tax, what type of expense is it? Is it a business expense? B. Direct expense. C. Personal expense. D. Indirect expense. Think. Income tax, paying for what? It's a part of the business profit. So it can be personal. It should be indirect expense. Right? Are we together? Let's go ahead. Next question. A check on which two parallel lines are drawn in the left top corner is called. I hope all of you have seen checkbooks, checks. A check on which two parallel lines drawn in the left top corner is called what? Bearer check, traveler's check. A. Bearer check. B. Traveler's check. C. Account pay check. D. None of this. BLR check doesn't require these parallel lines. Traveler checks also not. It's only the account page check, guys. The right answer is account page check. Hope you have rightfully guessed. Next question. Cash purchase of goods is recorded in. Cash purchase of goods recorded in which books? Purchase book, sales book, cash book, none of this. Cash purchase of goods recorded in which book? A. Purchase book, B. Sales book, C. Cash book, D. None of this. And the right answer is cash book. Because the credit purchase goes to the trading account purchase, not in the cash book. Next question. Credit purchase of furniture shall be recorded in. Furniture is purchased on credit. Recorded in which account? A. Purchase book, B. Journal book, C. Cash book, none of this. Since you purchased in cash, it will not hit the cash book. It doesn't, none of this is meaningless. You left with the purchase book and journal book. Guys, tell me what is the right answer? A. Purchase book or journal book? Journal book. First to journalize the entry, then it will be a part of the assets. Agree? Guys, hope you are enjoying. Quickly, time is the money. Let's go ahead with the next question. Who prepares the debit note? Who prepares the debit note? A. Seller, B. Purchaser, C. Cashier, D. None of this. Who purchased the debit note? A. Seller, B. Purchaser, C. Cashier, D. None of these. And the right answer is purchaser. Right? Next question. Return of goods by a customer is recorded in. The customer returned the good. Where do you record? Return of goods of a customer recorded in. A. Purchase book, B. Sales book, C. Sales return book, D. Purchase return book. You have sold to the customer and he is returning. Which book? Quickly, easy, you can guess it. Yeah, rightfully guessed. Sales return book. The right answer is sales return book. Return of goods by a customer is recorded in the sales return book. Next question. When check is not paid by the bank, it is called. When somebody given the check but the bank is not honoring it, not paying it, what is it called? Honored. A. Honored, B. Endorsed, C. Dishonored, D. A and B. What is the right answer? If it has been paid, it is called honored. It is not paid, it is dishonored. Endorsed, that means you're giving the rights to somebody else. It is endorsed. So what should the answer? Not paid, dishonored. Clear? Hope you are enjoying. Let's go to the next question. A bank reconciliation statement. A bank reconciliation statement is prepared by. Bank reconciliation statement is prepared by who? A banker. B. Accountant of the business. C. Auditors. D. Registrar. Banker will not coming to make your bank reconciliation. Registrar will not make. Auditor will check. Who is left with? Accountant of the business. Guys, right? Enjoying? Can we go ahead? Good. Next question. Bank reconciliation is not A. What is bank reconciliation? Is not A. Reconcile records. Is it reconcile records? B. Memorandum statement. C. Ledger account. D. Procedure to provide cash book adjustments. What is the right answer? What does the bank reconciliation doesn't do? Is it doesn't reconcile the records? Is it a memorandum? C. Ledger account. D. Is it a procedure to provide cash book adjustment? Quickly guess. Ledger account is the right answer. Bank reconciliation is not a ledger account. It reconcile, you can say it is a memorandum account. Right? Let's go to the next question. The balance on the debit side of the bank column of cash book indicates the balance on the debit side. The balance on the debit side of the bank column of the cash book indicates what? The total amount has drawn from the bank. Cash at bank. The total amount of overdraft in the bank and none of this. The balance on the debit side of the bank column. Think, think, think. And the right answer is, any guess? Is it A, total amount has withdrawn from the bank, or cash at bank? It's cash at bank. Guys, are you getting? This simple application of the mind will help you to understand the things, understand the subject properly and in depth. So let's go ahead. Don't try to mug, try to analyze and understand. Bank statement is also called what? A passbook, B cash book, C credit book, D debit book. Bank statement is what? What does the new name? Is it passbook or a cash book or a credit book or debit book? It's a passbook. Passbook is the common name of the bank statement. Next question. The main purpose of preparing a bank reconciliation statement is, A, to know the bank balance, to know the balance of the bank statement, to correct the cash book, to identify causes of differences between cash book and bank statement. I repeat, the main purpose of preparing bank reconciliation statement. Main purpose of preparing a BRS is it for the knowing the bank balance or knowing the balance of the bank statement? No. To correct the cash book? No. To identify the causes of difference between cash book and bank statement. That is the real meaning of the reconciliation. That means the reconciliation items are showing the reason why the bank and cash is not matching. Right, guys? The right answer goes to D. The main purpose of preparing a bank reconciliation statement is to identify causes of differences between cash book and bank statement. Next question. Bank reconciliation statement is what? Part of bank statement, B, part of cash book, a separate statement or subdivision of a journal. BRS is, bank reconciliation statement is part of bank statement? No. Part of cash book? No. A separate statement? Think. A subdivision of journal? No. And the right answer is separate statement. Very simple to understand. If you apply your common sense, these things are not that difficult. Right, guys? Can we go ahead? Uncollected checks are also known as A, outstanding check, B, uncleared check, C, outstanding checks, both B and C. Outstanding checks? No. Uncleared checks and outstanding checks seems. So answer should be both B and C. Guys, we are at the end of the video. We have covered close to 22 questions. Hope you are enjoying. Now, there is a great gift for you. Go to the description box. You'll find a link. Explore the link. See what is the hidden inside. There is a magic. There is a gift. There is a lifetime gift. If you are able to understand, able to grab it, trust me, you'll get a financial leverage, a financial independence by doing a legal, ethical, and a wonderful task. So explore the link in the description box, fill your details, and we may connect through the email ID or my mobile number, and we can take up this project together. Right, guys? So thank you for being with us, and share these videos, share these MCQs to all the deserving students, and by that you don't know how much you are helping other people to grow together and they're in excellence. Many people don't know about this channel. Help them to know. Let's help each other to grow together. Thank you, guys. Wish you all the best. Many thanks. See you again. And one thing again, don't forget to like and subscribe the channel so that whatever I'll upload will come across immediately. And we are continuously uploading good contents that will always help you to increase your knowledge. Thank you.